Bittensor is projected to increase 3.1% by tomorrow, CoinCodex notes. First, let's take a moment to see what the chart is showing us now. Based on the latest data, Bittensor has lost 6.2% since yesterday and is now near $225.94. Let's run through today's expert calls. CoinDataFlow expects the price to descend to $225.10 tomorrow, dropping roughly 0.4%. Coin price forecast foresees Bittensor moving up to $230, a rise of approximately 1.8%. Digital coin price notes it may push higher toward $231.48, a rise close to 2.5%. Another outlook from CoinCodex highlights Bittensor may head higher to $232.88, a rise close to 3.1%. Finally, CoinLore forecasts a move toward $238.56 by tomorrow, marking a gain of 5.6%. This is the strongest return potential in our lineup. Forecasts are in. Let's see what the data says next. Summing up the forecast from all analysts, here's what we've got. Looking at the forecasts in aggregate, the potential range for price changes runs from a decrease of 0.4% to a gain of 5.6%, depending on the analyst. Reviewing the results, CoinLore shows the highest return with 5.6% uplift in value by June 20. This means you could see a return of between $4 and $56 for every $1,000 you invest. When we talk about probabilities, CoinDataFlow's forecast takes the lead, holding a 98.8% chance of success. After reviewing all forecasts, I've created one combined consensus picture. Consensus data positions Bittensor for a potential 2.5% lift by tomorrow. Now, let's get into the details. Consensus calculations suggest a 2.5% price increase by tomorrow. This path implies your capital might also go up by around 2.5%. With 1,000 as the base, this might equal a gain of $25. And in this case, the probability attached to the consensus projection for Bittensor is about 96.6%. Before moving forward, let's review how analysts project the 3-day outlook. A flat performance is projected by CoinDataFlow. Coin price forecast emphasizes that the short-term picture is tilted higher. Similarly, digital coin price projects a climb for Bittensor across this period. A bearish outlook is projected by CoinCodex, pointing to a decline. CoinLore projects the price advancing over the 3 days. By merging the individual projections, the consensus indicates Bittensor is likely to trade within a narrow range over the coming 3 days. Looking at the full set of forecasts, most suggest Bittensor will push higher. 5 sites published forecasts 2 days ago. Let's see how they held up in reality. As a result, yesterday ended with the market at $235.89. Just one prediction got the direction right. Digital coin price stood out with the sharpest prediction. Now let's open up the details. None of the 5 forecasts were within yesterday's trading span. Looking at ROI, only digital coin price showed a positive outcome. Now showing the performance check. How each analyst's forecast matched reality. According to the fact check, CoinLore recorded minus 6.6% ROI and $23.08 accuracy. Take a moment to look over the numbers and see who performed best this time. Now you can see how Bittensor compares with other assets in the forecasted returns for tomorrow. In this ranking, Bittensor falls below the leader as Algorand holds 3.5% expected performance. Currently, Bittensor is matched with 4 randomly selected cryptocurrencies. The extended profitability view is already included on my website. If you're following Bittensor forecasts, hit like to show you want more updates like this. Catch you later.